Hello, everybody. My name is Mrs. Smith, and I'm here to introduce you to our fantastic Strong Vincent Middle School related arts team. But before I get to that, I would like to share a few things that you need to know about our platforms, Schoology and Zoom. Each one of your children will be on a class through Schoology where they will get up-to-date information, homework assignments, and any updates the teacher would like to share with them. We meet virtually through Zoom, and the class is about 60 minutes of synchronous time, and we do 15 minutes of asynchronous. Each one of our teachers has office hours from 2:45 to 3:10. If there are any questions or concerns, you are free to email us at any time, and we would be glad to help you or your child out. I would like to introduce to you my colleague, Mrs. Godswa, who teaches STEM. Here you go, Mrs. Godswa, take it away.
Thanks, Mrs. Smith. Hi, I'm Kelly Godswa, and I'm your STEM teacher this year. It's my first year teaching at Strong Vincent, but not my first year walking through the halls. I am a proud 1989 graduate of Strong Vincent. So what is STEM? STEM is science, technology, engineering, and math. But what do we do with all that stuff? Well, we use the engineering design process to do really fun projects. Our current first quarter students are doing a project called Imagineering in a Box, where we get to go behind the scenes at Disney to see how the artists and costume designers and architects and engineers and plumbers and electricians put those theme parks together. And while we're learning, we're going to be creating a theme park of our own. So come on and join the STEM squad. We get to think outside the box. I'd like to introduce Mr. Dixon.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Goswa. My name is Mr. Dixon. I'm the boys' physical education teacher, health and wellness. I've been teaching for 20 years, and this year our emphasis is going to be on health as well as wellness in our course. We will also do some physical activity to keep you in pretty good shape, because I know that everyone is going to want to get outside and get some exercise too. So I'm going to turn it over to my colleague, Miss Sitek.
Thank you, Mr. Dixon. I'm Miss Sitek. I'm the girls' health and physical education teacher. We're listed as wellness and fitness on your schedule. Like Mr. Dixon said, we are switching away from our physical education and focusing more on health. For our 6th and 7th graders, we're going to be utilizing life skills training. This is going to include things like decision making. We're going to talk about smoking, alcohol, and other drugs. We're going to talk about relationships and making good decisions. For our 8th graders, we are going to be continuing with our FLASH curriculum. FLASH is family, life, and sexual health. In that class, we will be learning about puberty, health and hygiene, the reproductive system, and other things that will help us make good decisions as we're growing into adults. I miss everybody. I do not like having an empty gym, but we will get back together soon enough. Now I'm going to pass it to Mr. Kraus. Ready, Mr. Kraus?
Thank you, Ms. Sitek. My name is Mr. Kraus. I am the computer science teacher here at Strong Vincent Middle School. In today's world, where software and technology are found just about everywhere, in our computers, cars, homes, and even in our pockets, computer science has become essential for a strong educational foundation. Fortunately for our students here at Strong Vincent, we are proud and excited to offer computer science courses and introduce these skills into your child's virtual classroom. No matter what career your child may pursue in the future, this class will provide the opportunity to better be prepared and informed citizens of today's digital age. For students to participate in this course, we will be using a website called code.org. Students will create their own account for this site. This is very beneficial, especially in our particular situation, because the coursework can be completed online. Students can log in at any time to their accounts from anywhere using a computer, tablet, or Chromebook. The code.org website, along with other coding websites, offer a creative and fun platform for learning computer science fundamentals like computational thinking, problem solving, programming concepts, and digital citizenship. Most importantly, students will learn skills that extend well beyond computer science and have fun and a great time doing it. Please email me any questions that you might have. Again, thank you, and go Colonels. I would now like to pass this over to my colleague, Ms. Dudenhofer, over in the art room.
Thank you, Mr. Kraus. Hi, I'm Mrs. Dudenhofer. I'm the art teacher here at Strong Vincent. I've been teaching here for about 3 years. I too came up through the public schools, elementary, right through graduation. I miss you guys too in the classroom. I miss your kids a lot. I miss you. It's not the same, but this is where we are. We're making the most of it. But we do have this rare opportunity here in art to do graphics, because now everybody has a computer. So now everybody can learn graphic arts, including me. So that's what we're going to be working on this semester, which is a really great field to go into. It's a wide open field with a lot of career opportunities, the creative arts, especially in graphics. The job market is wide open for that. So it's a good prelude into that if you are creative. And it's fun and it's easy. And you get to learn a little bit more beyond just Schoology and just general applications. We're using Sketch.io. That is the graphics application. And inside of that application is a thing called Sketchpad. It's very intuitive, which means it's easy for the kids to use. And so far, the artwork I'm seeing come out has been great. All right, I'm gonna pass the mic to Mr. Tekulver.
Thank you, Ms. Dudenhofer. Hi, I'm Mr. Tekulver, and I'm one of the 2 music teachers here at Strong Vincent. This is my 11th year in the district and 3rd year here at SV. Normally, I'd be teaching chorus, world drumming, or dancing through the decades. However, this year I'll be teaching you music through the decades. Oftentimes, you'll hear music and completely love it or hate it, but you have difficulty trying to explain it. In this class, we'll learn to understand how to explain why we like or dislike the music we listen to, as well as explore the song structure and each decade's characteristics through things such as genres, themes, instrumentation, popular artists, and top hits. We'll watch and listen to the best examples of each, and we'll gain an appreciation for each decade's musical contributions. You can contact me through email at dtekulver@eriesd.org or leave me a message on Schoology if you have any further questions about the class and grading procedures. I'm really excited to meet all of you, and I'm looking forward to working with you this school year. And now I'd like to introduce to you our final colleague, Ms. Gronzioski.
Thanks, Mr. Tekulver. Hi, everyone. My name is Ms. Gronzioski. You can call me Miss G if that makes it a little bit easier. I am the other music teacher here at Strong Vincent. This is my 3rd year here at the best middle school in Erie. So typically, I would be teaching band and guitar classes. However, this year, you will get to take a class on world music, where we will explore music from around the world and discuss music's place in the many different cultures that are around us. The best ways to contact me are through email at mgronzioski@eriesd.org or through Schoology. If you need special help, I offer it every Friday, but I will always try my best to help you whenever you need it. I can't wait to get to know you all.
So there is our team, our related arts team. Before we say goodbye to all of you, I'd just like to say that, as you can see, my classroom is a kitchen. So family consumer science is one of those classes that you are going to learn life skills, things that you're going to use for the rest of your life. So we do a little bit of decision making, goal setting, career exploration, and then we get down to the fun part. We get to learn how to cook. And I do cooking virtually with my students, and it's worked out great. Although this is not the way I would like it, for the last 29 years, this has been my classroom. And I like the buzzing and all of the smells that come out of this room, because that's what makes it Strong Vincent. We all work together. We can't wait to see you. We are excited for a brand new year. And I'd like to say, go Colonels. Bye-bye.